Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to split the screen on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You want to split your screen up into as many as 4 different quadrants. You are going to see today multitasking. It can able to see multiple windows at same times, guys. Let's jump straight into it, guys. For example, I'm doing anything over here. You can able to open anything in your computer. Just drag like this. Now I show you guys how to do that. Just you want to drag like this and you want to upwards like this center of your menu, and you can do this like guys 4 corner like this, and you can also drag another file to center of the point and do like this, and you can extra for two folder you can open it guys like this, or you can open in the center of your PC and do like this, and here opens one window full. You can watch videos over here, and you can watch installation of games or something like that. Same time, at the same time you can manage two of these guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Just you want to do it, just drag the folder to the center of the point of your display over here like this, and here opens 4 different display multitasking guys. You can select whatever you want it, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.